Hello, everyone. Today, we are not looking at the flashy tech apps or the usual stock market buzz. Instead, we are deep diving into the very backbone of our economy, logistics. You see, for decades, India's growth was hampered by high costs and slow movement. But right now, a silent revolution is brewing under the PM Gati Shakti Master Plan. We are talking about a massive shift that aims to bring down our logistics costs from 14% of GDP to less than 10%. This isn't just about building roads. It is about creating a seamless, multimodal network that will Make in India a global reality. If you are an investor or a business owner, you cannot afford to ignore this. The groundwork is being laid for India to become a global supply chain hub, and the momentum is truly world-class. Let us understand how this silent force is setting the stage for our next industrial boom. Earlier, moving goods from the north to our ports in the west was a total headache, taking days on end. But look at the ground reality now. The dedicated freight corridors, or DFCs, are a total game changer. These are tracks meant only for goods trains, allowing them to run at high speeds without getting stuck behind passenger expresses. Coupled with this, we are laying down highways at a record pace of nearly 37 kilometers per day. This is not just jugaad anymore, it is world-class infrastructure. By segregating freight and passenger traffic, we are ensuring that raw materials reach factories on time and finished goods reach the Aam Aadmi faster and cheaper. This efficiency is exactly what will drive our industrial production to the next level in this Amrit Kaal. Gone are the days when a godown meant a dusty, cramped room with no ventilation. Today, we are seeing the rise of massive, tech-enabled Grade A warehousing spaces. With the implementation of GST, the hub-and-spoke model has become the gold standard. Global giants and domestic players are pouring in lakhs of crores into automated warehouses that use robotics and AI. We are looking at a 25% CAGR growth in Grade A office and warehouse spaces. This is a massive opportunity for investors. Whether it is industrial parks or specialized cold chains for our farmers' produce, the quality of storage is finally matching global benchmarks. If you're looking for a Pukka investment, the warehousing sector is where the long-term value is being created. Technology is the real magic sauce here. The Unified Logistics Interface Platform, or ULIP, is bringing all stakeholders, shippers, transporters, and government agencies onto one single digital window. Imagine having 30-plus logistics systems from different ministries integrated into one. This eliminates the red tape and paperwork that used to kill our efficiency. Now, with real-time tracking and digital documentation, transparency is at an all-time high. For a business owner, this means lower inventory costs and better planning. It's about ease of doing business in its truest sense. We are moving towards a paperless, data-driven supply chain that can compete with the likes of China or the US. This digital push is the secret sauce that will make our logistics sector truly world-class. You might wonder, why this sudden rush for logistics? The answer lies in our manufacturing ambitions. The Production-Linked Incentive, PLI, across 14 sectors are inviting global companies to set up shop here. From iPhones to semiconductors, everything needs a solid logistics network to reach the global market. With reduced lead times, down by 20% in some sectors, India is becoming a very attractive China Plus One destination. The synergy between manufacturing and logistics is what will create crores of jobs for our youth. We are not just consuming anymore. We are becoming a Vishva guru in manufacturing. The logistics boom is providing the fuel for this industrial engine to run at full throttle. Now, let's talk business. How can you, as an investor, take advantage of this? The opportunities are plenty. You could look at listed logistics players, or perhaps delve into industrial REITs, real estate investment trusts, that focus on warehousing. Then there are the tech startups building the next ULIP-based solutions. We are looking at a 2 lakh crore investment opportunity in the next few years. Even for small business owners, improving your own supply chain can give you a massive edge over competitors. At the end of the day, those who understand this shift early will reap the maximum rewards. It is time to look beyond the usual blue-chip stocks and see where the real heavy lifting is happening. In today's world, we cannot ignore the environment. The new industrial boom is not just fast, it is green. We are seeing a massive push for electric vehicles in the last-mile delivery segment. Major e-commerce players are committing to 100% EV fleets. Furthermore, the development of inland waterways is a masterstroke. It is not only the cheapest way to move bulk goods, but also the most eco-friendly. By moving freight from roads to rail and water, we are drastically cutting down our carbon footprint. This sustainability is crucial if we want our exports to be accepted in the European and American markets. India is proving that you can have rapid industrial growth without compromising on our Prakriti. To wrap up, the writing is on the wall. India is no longer just a land of services. We are becoming an industrial powerhouse. The transformation of our logistics sector is the final piece of the puzzle. As we march towards being a $5 trillion economy and eventually a developed nation by 2047, this silent force will be the wind in our sails. For the ambitious professional and the savvy investor, this is the once-in-a-generation chance to be part of something truly historic. So stay informed, keep your eyes on the ground reality, and let's move forward together. The future of Bharat is fast, efficient, and unstoppable. Thank you for joining me today. And as we say, Jai Hind.